Back today with a quick tutorial video to show you how to swap out the standard Walker Razor ear pads with something like our very comfortable and cozy 704 Gear Cozy Gel ear pads. These conform to your ear very nicely, wrap around your hearing protection, and provide great comfort down at the range, and installation is pretty simple. You simply rip off the existing pads on your hearing protection. If you're not worried about damaging the pads, you can actually grab it with a pair of pliers underneath and over top and rip them right off, and then snap on our new ones. If it seems to be a little bit difficult to do that, another way that I found that works out really well is to grab a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you're wearing eye protection and safety gloves. You can line up at the joint and then tap it in with a rubber mallet. Once you have it tapped in, you can simply start to pry that off, and you can see that they start to separate from the ear pads. Once you've got them separated, you can pull them off. Pull this down to make it a little bit easier. You line up the tapers at the bottom. You can see they are directional, and then you can snap them into place. I like to start with one side of the hearing protection, and you'll hear them kind of snap into place, and then you can start working your way around and snapping them in very simply. Installation should only take a couple of minutes, and after that you've swapped it out with these very comfortable gel hearing protections that are going to work on your Walker Razors. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.